So now that we have our plugin installed, it's time to create our first bonus page. So next we want to click on Pages, click on Add New Page, and once we're on the Add New Page, we want to select our template. So we want to select our bonus page template. So once it's selected, you can see how the options have changed. First thing we're going to do is give it a title, and then we're going to start changing the look of our page. So as you can see, we can add in our bonus page header here. So I like to add a slice image to go across the entire screen. Next, we're going to add our header information or our header image. Next thing we want to do is we want to put in a killer headline. Our awesome headline goes here. So now if we click on Preview Page, we're going to see that there's some changes here, and here's our awesome headline. So if we go back and make some more changes, we can see that we can change the color of our headline. And if we go back and preview that page, see that our headline has changed. So now we can start to change some of these options. So as we go down, here's our option for our countdown timer, which is something I definitely suggest you have on your page. Next we have our video, and here is our purchase button. So we can say purchase here now. And again, we can change the color of that button. So when we go back and preview that page, we can now see that the buttons have changed. So you can go through this entire page, all these different settings, to create the page that you want to use to promote the affiliate product that you're using. So once we get in here, we can start adding in our banners and our different products in here. We can add in a checklist here like this. We can add a bonus template or a bonus image just like this. So as you can see, we can change the font color here if we want, just to show you, write in a great description in here. So once we do that, you can see again how this page is going to turn out and start coming along and building. So here's our bonus, and we can change, obviously these bonuses information. Here's our, great description. Here we can change the title color, the title, the headlines. Here's our image. Here's how to claim your bonus. I suggest, if you want to do it manually or however you want to deliver it, make sure you give them good instructions how to do that. And then there's a thing here at the bottom that tells them how to clear the cookies to make sure that you get credit for the sale. So that's pretty much it on how to create your bonus page. Just want to go through all these different settings, play around with it, and you guys will create some awesome, stunning bonuses pages that will definitely increase your affiliate commissions as you go along and build your business. And it's a tool that is definitely going to help you grow your business and make more commissions. So I'll see you in the next video. So now we have our plugin installed and our bonus page created. Now what we want to do is we want to create our bonus delivery site. So again, we're going to go click on Pages, click on Add New, and again, we're going to look through the templates. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create our home page. Now the home page is going to be the first page that your customers log into and see. This page is going to give them a little bit of an introduction to you, how your bonus system works, and how you're going to deliver all your bonuses going forward. So just to give you a little preview of what this page looks like. So it has our header, all our information. This menu will continue to grow, and I'll show you that. You can add your picture here. There's some information below here on how to get a hold of you through support, all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be the first page that everyone sees. Now, to create this page, you want to start here with this bonus page creator options. So when we go to the options page, this is where we can add our header slice, our header image. This is how the menu is going to work. So if we want to create another menu item in the header, we could say tools, for example, and then we could take them to another website. Okay, so this is how you create your menu system. Okay, once that's all done, come back up here, save your options. So once we go back to this page, when we reload it, you will see that we have another menu item up here, and it goes to bing.com. Okay, so this is the first page that we want to have. So let's go back to our pages and start building this page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to have a welcome text. You can change this text here to say whatever you want. Welcome home. You can put your name in here. Whatever message you want to put in here. You can change your picture. You can add your photo, which I suggest that you do to start branding yourself, branding your image, branding your company. And then you just want to give them a little bit of information on that home page. How to get you through support, all that kind of stuff. Just a little bit of information on how this page works. So that's your home page, okay? So we'll just save that as a draft. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create the bonus delivery page. So again, we're going to create a new page. We're going to go bonus redemption. And as again, you can see how the options have changed. So bonus redemption. Okay, so again, you can add your logo image here, your title. So we can go main title. And you can kind of see what this page looks like. So again, we can change this image up here. That's this image right here. So we can add an image right here. I don't really have one in there that we can use, but that will change this image right here to whatever you want. Now going through the fields, you can see that we can change all the information. Okay, so you can change all this information in here. Thank you for purchasing my affiliate promo through my link. You can add some stuff here. I put in if this is refunded, you'll lose access to these products. And then you can start to add your special bonuses down here. So you can add an image. Again, we'll use this. Here's our title. Here's the link to where they can download it. Here's the instructions. If you need instructions, if it's a piece of software or plugin or something, you can give them some instructions. And then here's the link, okay? So once we go back and check the preview on this, you'll see that some of this stuff has changed. Here's our download link. Not that it's going to open up into anything because we didn't actually put a link in there, but that's how that works. Okay, so that's your bonus redemption page. So it makes it very, very easy as you move forward. If you have multiple promotions that you do, that you have successful campaigns and these, bonuses work, you can just, duplicate that page, clone that page, use those bonuses, make a couple additions and changes to fit the product that you're promoting. And it makes it really, really quick to create new promotions. Now, the last one we want to add is our bonuses template. So what this does is as we create this page, it's going to show all the other bonuses that you've created. Obviously, we haven't created anywhere and posted anything here. But what we'll do is we'll add our bonuses in here. We'll put my bonuses. So this gives you another way to get affiliate commissions by seeing other promotions. Yeah, you've offered bonuses because maybe it's a launch for the affiliate product or promo, but at least you can keep all your bonuses in here. And as your new customers start to see your bonuses, like your bonuses, they can come in here and access your other bonuses. So you're still making affiliate commissions on those. So again, we can kind of come in here and create, we'll just put some thumbnails and different things in here. So my bonuses, you can type your description in here. You can add pictures if you want to, and then you would put your affiliate link right here or to your bonus page. And then as you can see, when we go to the preview, you start to add in. So this is going to show all the different promotions that you've done, all the different launches you've participated in. So when they come and click on this link, not that it's going to open up into anything, but as they click on that link, it's going to take them to either the affiliate page, or through your affiliate link to the sales page. And when they access that, you're going to start making more and more commissions. So this is the way that you want to build your bonus sites, your bonus vault, your bonus delivery system to obviously continue to create more income out of one promotion. So we've created affiliate commission through the bonus page by increasing your commissions because of more volume through the bonus. You're offering a great site. You're giving away your bonuses. You can give away bonuses within your bonus, and then plus you can access, or your customers can access all your other bonuses through your bonus site, which is going to, again, increase your commissions. Now, in this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how to install your new bonus page creator plugin. So inside your new WordPress installation, you will click on Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, and then find the location of where you saved your downloaded plugin. So now that I've located my bonus page creator plugin, I'm going to click Open and Install Now. Once the plugin is completely uploaded, you're going to click on Activate Plugin. And once you've activated the plugin, you're going to see a new menu on the left-hand side. It says Bonus Pages. Click on Bonus Pages. Click on Add New Templates. Now, once you've installed the templates, you'll see that they're created here. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Pages. Click on Add a New Page. And once you're in an Add a New Page, you will see the templates listed here. And once you click on the template, you will see that it changes and you're able to make your new bonus page. So you can preview your new bonus page. You'll see that the template's been installed correctly. I'll see you in the next video.